Odisha is the only state in India that is home to saltwater, magar and gharial, all three crocodile species. It has 30 districts, starting from north to south, Mayurbhanj, home to Similipal National Park, a hub of waterfalls such as Barehipani and Zuranda, known for Chau martial dance and popular for Mudi Mansa, a puffed rice mutton curry. Balasore, known for Chandipur beach and a major missile testing hub where Agni, Prithvi and Brahmos are tested. Bhadra features the 400-year-old Akhandal Mani temple and is famous for desserts like Palwa Laddu. Kendrapada, known for Bhitarkanika National Park, famous for saltwater crocodiles and the GI tagged Rasbali, a soft, deep-fried cheese dessert. Jagatsinghpur hosts the Paradeep port and is associated with the famous Odia poet Sarla Das. Puri, a hub of iconic attractions such as the Jagannath Temple, Konark Sun Temple and Puri Beach, one of the few blue flag certified beaches in India. Khordha hosts the capital Bhubaneswar, known for the Lingaraj Temple, Barunai Hill, a major education hub, and cottage industries, along with Chilika Lake. Nayagarh, the origin of Chhena Poda, the legendary Odia dessert. Cuttack, the birthplace of Subhash Chandra Bose, known for Barabati Fort, Barabati Stadium, and temples like Cuttack Chandi Temple and Dhableshwar Temple. Jajpur, known for the Shakti Peeth, Ma Biraja Temple, and GI tagged Kosa silk weaving. Dhenkanal, known for Kapilash Temple, Saptasajja Hills, and features Magji, a traditional cheese sweet. Kendujhar, known for Ma Tarini Temple, and as one of India's largest producers of high-grade iron ore, manganese, and chromite. Anugul, an industrial powerhouse featuring massive coal mining complexes such as Talcher coalfields. Devgarh, Odisha's waterfall capital, featuring Pradhanpat Waterfall and Deojharan Falls. Sundargarh, known for Khandadhar Waterfall, Vedvyas Temple, regarded as the cradle of Indian hockey, and an industrial hub with the Rourkela steel plant. Jharsuguda, the power hub of Odisha, featuring major thermal power plants producing up to 3 gigawatts of energy. Sambalpur, known for Hirakud Dam, the longest earthen dam in the world, stretching up to 25 kilometers in length. Bargarh, known for Dhanu Yatra, which hosts the world's largest open-air theatre festival. Nuapada, with its rich tribal heritage, known for Sunabeda Wildlife Sanctuary. Balangir features the Ranipur Jharial Temple Complex and Gandhamardhan Hills, a hotspot with over 200 medicinal plant species. Subarnapur, famous for Sonpuri silk and traditional handloom saris. Baudh, the land where the Mahanadi River flows through, creating beautiful scenic landscapes. Kandhamal, renowned for GI tagged organic turmeric and a major producer of coffee, ginger, and honey. Ganjam, famous for Tara Tarini Temple, the Rishikulya mass nesting site of olive ridley sea turtles, Gopalpur Beach, Foda Kumbhapatta saris. Gajpati, land of Mahendragiri Hills, Padmasambhav Mahavihar Monastery, and the GI tagged date palm jaggery. Raigada district, known for Ma Maji Gharyani Temple and the traditional Dongriya Kon saris and handlooms. Kalahandi, a hub of gemstones, featuring the Habasipuri handloom and the traditional sweet dish Atkel. Nabrangpur, one of the largest producers of maize, teak and sal timber, lac and honey, and known for vibrant Adivasi festivals like Monde. Koraput features Deomali, the tallest peak in Odisha, and is known for GI tagged Kalajira rice and Arabica coffee. Malkangiri district, one of Odisha's most untouched landscapes with significant tribal heritage, featuring the Bonda Hills, home to the Bonda tribe. Let us know a unique fact about your district in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.